In this demonstration, I want to show you how easy it is to set up multi-channel delivery, which will include an EDI file sent to an FTP site, or it could be a customer gateway, adhering to the EU invoicing regulations. So within Business Central, I've gone into my Lasernet setup, and the first thing that I want to do is add an additional custom port. So if we call this FTP Formpipe, and then the file format that I want to send to the FTP is an EDI file. That's now set up. If I just go back in and show you the customer card, with Lasernet we can actually extend this to include our default destinations of where we want to send our content. So here you can see I've opened up the Canon group, and we've now got a section called Lasernet. You can see that I've already set up a default destination for the sales order. So this is set up to send an email, but at the same time, what I want to do is make use of that custom port for the sales order. And if we select the print method of custom port, and we had a number of custom ports set up, so I just want to send this to the FTP site. Now, just to show you the actual workflow in the Lasernet developer, I've already configured an FTP output containing the connection settings, so everything's set up and ready to go. All I need to do now from a user's perspective is actually go and execute a sales order report for the Canon group. So let's just go into sales orders. Select the Canon group. And then if we actually print a sales order off, print confirmation. Now I've got my default destinations select as default, so I click on OK. Now it's Lasernet in the background actually taking care of that distribution that we've set up. So just to show you from start to finish, if we actually go into our Lasernet archive now, you can see that the system's telling us that we've sent an email to the correct email address. And if I just click on this item, you can see where we've actually sent the email, but also at the same time, we've generated an EDI file. So if we just look at the actual EDI file itself, let's just save that file, and then we can open it up. So as I've suggested, we've now created multi-channel distribution, sending an email, but also sending an EDI file off to an FTP site. Equally, this could be a government gateway.